Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing well. We've got this lovely 2013 Polar Silver Metallic Mercedes-Benz A-Class. It's a 2-litre A45 AMG line. It's coming at 66,243 miles on the clock. It's a petrol automatic with a full service history. It's a lovely vehicle. I feel like it will get a lot of attention online. Sounds absolutely amazing, especially if you put it in sport mode. Pops and bangs, which is really cool. It's got the 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels in the gloss black, in really good condition on all 4 alloys. It's got the AMG brake calipers as well, automatic activation headlights. It's got the AMG Bodystyling and aerodynamic package, AMG suspension, active parking assist with Parktronic. There's the third alloy. And the last alloy comes with the tinted glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate with the front and rear parking sensors. Dual zone air conditioning with the spoiler, AMG aerodynamic spoiler. Really meany looking. Like I mentioned, I feel like it will get a lot of attention when you're driving around, which is good in a way. It's got the electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors, storage compartment, open and close. It's got the AMG Sports seats in the black and red, which contrast each other. I think it's the Dominica leather, Article leather as well, microfiber, which is really good. Optional extra. It's got the automatic headlights, electronic parking brake, two keys and a immobilizer, a multifunction steering wheel, features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with a speed limiter, gear shift paddles here on the right and on the left. I'll just show you the mileage. It's got 66,243 miles on the clock. As you could hear that, it pops and bangs. I'll just show you. Sounds absolutely amazing. It's got sat-nav navigation, which I'll just show you now. Very responsive, very clear. It also comes with the radio. There's the disc, USB storage, media interface, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary. There's the telephone preparation, so you can call people once you've connected to your phone, and there's system settings. There's traction control off, eco mode, parking assist, dual zone air conditioning, 12-volt plug socket with a storage compartment, automatic transmission with all different driving modes, electronic parking brake, menu selector, 2 cup holders with a lovely light. It's got a lovely leather armrest with a USB output and a touch-up pen, but overall really lovely vehicle, to be honest. I'll just show you the back. Back of the vehicle, it's got the electronic windows, storage compartment, leather with the red stitching, lovely condition on all 5 seats, ice-fix preparation at the driver's and passenger side. It's got light underneath the footwells, underneath the seats, which is really good. Air conditioning unit with a storage compartment and a 12-volt plug socket, but overall really lovely vehicle, to be honest. I'll just show you the back of the vehicle. Plenty of space, well looked after by the previous owner, no scuffs, no tears. The interior, the valet's done a great job cleaning the vehicle. Underneath here there is a first aid kit and all the different relevant tools to blowing up a tyre, but overall really lovely vehicle, to be honest. There you go, there's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more photos or pictures of the vehicle or information about the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.